Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to fix the Roblox upload failed error. Did you use the template? First, check your internet connection. Turn your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection off for a few seconds, then turn it back on. If possible, restart your router to refresh your network. Next, restart your computer to clear temporary system issues. Now open settings on your PC, then click apps from the left side. Next, select installed apps, search for Roblox. Once you find Roblox Player, click the three dots next to it. Then click Uninstall. Now click the three dots next to Roblox Studio and select Uninstall as well. After both applications have been removed, go back to your desktop and press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog. Type %temp% and click OK. Delete all the files in this folder. If some files are currently in use, simply skip them. Now open the Run dialog again. Type temp and click OK. Delete all the files in this folder as well. Next, right-click the taskbar and select Task Manager. Close any unnecessary background applications that may be using system resources. Now click the Start menu and search for Roblox Studio. Right-click it and select Run as Administrator. Then search for Roblox Player. Right-click it and also select Run as Administrator. Now open Google Chrome. Click the three dots in the top right corner. Then select Settings. Click Privacy and Security from the left side. Now click Delete Browsing Data. Check the boxes for browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files, then click Delete Data. Finally, download the latest official Roblox clothing template from the Roblox Creator Hub. Make sure your image matches the required template size and format exactly, save it as a PNG file, and then try uploading it again using the latest version of Roblox Studio. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.